It's such exciting times. Now you're under contract. You've got one thing that you've got to jump on and do. You've got to get that EMD in to secure and make the contract finalized, right? What's an EMD? I don't even, right? It's actually just a super fancy word for deposit. It means earnest money down, EMD. All right, well, this video is all about that deposit. This is Heather DeNaro, helping you find your best beach life. Okay, so you've got to deliver your EMD. Typically, in my contracts, it's 3 business days from the time of execution. Remember, execution is when all parties have signed and it goes by the last signature date. So now you have 3 business days. Well, what do you mean business days? Well, basically, if you go under contract and you've negotiated all weekend, you finally go under contract on Monday, then you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday by 5 to get that deposit into the title company. Well, what if you go under contract on Thursday or Friday? Well, remember, it's business days only. So you basically would be Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday by 5 p.m. So 3 business days, not including holidays or the weekend. That should help you out a little bit. How do you get it? How do you make it out, all of that? Well, everything in a home purchase has to be traceable. The lender has to know where every dime came from, how it got there, and where it's going. That's the annoying part, but it's a good payoff in the end, I promise. So what do? You can wire it or send them a cashier's check. So I like to advise my customers to do a cashier's check. It's no extra fee. You just go down to the bank, you need a cashier's check, and for the amount that's on the contract. Well, who do you have it made out to? The title company. They're going to be the third party that is the neutral party between the buyer and seller and keeping things safe for you. So speaking of third party and keeping it neutral, what they do is they take your deposit and they put it in a bank account of their own. They don't give it to the seller. You can't get it back without a signed document even. They keep it right there, protected for both parties for the whole situation. And the title company acts as a mediator because they're not interested in the party, they're interested in the transaction. So that's very helpful. When does the EMD become the seller's? Actually, they never touch it until the final closing day. Once everybody's signatures are on the line, you now have a house, and that goes into the seller's funds that they receive from the purchase. An EMD or deposit, that money goes towards your purchase. So say the house was $214,000, you're not going to owe $214,000 plus $1,000 for your deposit. You will actually now only owe $213,000 more. So then what happens when you close, right? Well, that's how I was already starting to explain, that it rolls into the seller's proceeds and the total purchase of the home. So it basically, once you pay it, it's allotted to you on your closing statement, and you'll get to read that and you'll see where that is recorded before you actually sign, but it'll be in the final days just before. Okay, so that's what the process is for the EMD or deposit, right? I hope that helps clear up a little bit of the ambiguity and the obscurity about what is a title company. That's just one of their responsibilities, protecting both parties. And so hopefully that explanation helps. Down below, there are links to other videos in this series about being under contract, and hopefully that can help you out. I have one big video about now you're under contract, what do you do? And then they're broken down into each of the segments to help you through this process. I hope you found it useful. I'm Heather DeNaro with Your Best Beach Life, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought or if there's some other questions you may have. Talk to you later.